Hello students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's math time, ma'am.
Yes, in today's class we will be starting a new chapter, geometry, right? So you all are observing every day different shapes around you. From a sand grain to a mountain or from a brick to a multi-storied building. Each and everything is made up of different shapes, right? So today, first of all, you have to tell me these different shapes which you have already observed in your surrounding. Tell me. What is this shape? Yes, it is a triangle. Second shape you have to observe and tell me. Which shape is this? Correct. It is a rectangle. Next shape now. What is this? It is a circle. Coming to the next shape. This shape is having all four sides equal. It is a square. Correct. Okay, so these all are the basic plane shapes which you have already studied in your previous class also. So let us start with the geometry. Now in geometry, each and every shape, when you start to make a shape, what do you make first? You make a, see here, what do you make? You make a point, right? This is a point. Each and every shape we name also, so point also we name. Let the name of the point is A. This is point A. Point is such a small tiny, such a small tiny point that it does not has its own length, breadth or height. That is why we say that point is having no dimensions. Dimension means length, breadth, height. 2 dimension means length and breadth only. 3 dimensions means length, breadth, height. So point is not having, does not have length, breadth or height. It is this much small in size. Okay. Now next, using your scale. You all are having scale with you? Yeah. Using your scale when you draw a straight line. Okay. Using your scale when you draw a straight line and mark 2 arrows here. A beginning and ending. Both the sides you draw an arrow. And let this arrow end is A and this arrow end is B. These arrows tells us that this line can be extended as much as we want. So B, in this direction of B, it can be extended as much as we want. In the direction of A, backside also it can be extended as much as we want. So it is never ended. So this is a line named AB. When you write just AB, it is not specified that we are talking about line. So to make it a line, you have to put a symbol on the top. It tells us that AB is a line, okay? Non-ending. Can be extended in both the direction as much as we want. Non-ending. Another, let us say this is one point again. I am naming it as C. And another point, D. Now use your scale and join it. This is a line segment made up of 2 points C and D. This is a starting point, or you can say C, or D is an ending point. It is not having any arrow at any of the ends, so this is having a fixed length. This is called line segment. CD. How we will specify with a symbol at the top. When it is having just a straight line at the top without arrows, yes, it is a line segment. CD is a line segment of fixed length. No arrows, that means we cannot extend it further. It is having fixed length. Now, all the line segments are part of line. Segment means part, so it is a part of a line. Next, just see, this is a point. I am naming it as A again. Okay. Now, it is increasing in one direction. Only one end it is having a point, another end it is having an arrow. So let us say R it is. AR. So what is AR? A is a starting point. In R side it is getting increased. Arrow tells us it can be increased as much as we want. So this is called a ray with a symbol of ray. It is a ray. Our sun is the best example. You can see our sun. We always say na, sun rays. So sun is the point of origin and all the rays are coming in one direction only. It never goes back. So these are the sun rays having one origin and increasing in one direction. So it is ray. Next, after this, going further, the basic concept which we have studied till now, let us do one question based on that. The question is asking us, how many line segments can be drawn in between of A part? If you are having 2 points, just 2 points you are having, draw 2 points. This is point A, this is point B. How many line segments can be drawn? A to B, one line segment. B to A, if you make, then it is also same line segment, only you have overlapped. So with 2 points only one line segment can be drawn, only one. Next, with 3 points how many line segments can be drawn? Let us check. This is suppose point M, point N, point O. Okay, 3 points. Let us join. MN, one line segment with 2 endpoints. NO, second line segment, and MO is the third line segment. So how many line segments can be drawn? MN, NO, and OM. 3 line segments can be drawn with the help of 3 points, and this shape is a triangular shape, right? C part. How many points shall we take now? Let us take 4 points. And we will see that how many line segments can be drawn with the help of 4 points. A, B, C, D. 4 points. Let us join them. Use your scale and join them. AB, one line segment. Let me draw it again once. AB, one line segment. Then we can draw BC. Then CD. Then coming to AD. These are 4 line segments. Now think, can we make some more? Yes, we can make. A and C are also points. So joining A and C, we can make one line segment. This is called diagonal. Joining B and D also we can make one line segment. This is another diagonal. So how many line segments we could make? 4 boundary walls and cross to this. So total 6 line segments we could make with the help of 4 points. Let us name them. AB 1, BC 2, CD 3, DA 4. 4 line segments, now diagonals. AC 5th and BD is the 6th one. 6 line segments can be drawn with the help of 4 points. D part, let us take 5 points. Children, you also do with me. Draw 5 points. This is A, B, C, D, and here I am taking one more E. So these are 5 points. Join them. AB, one line segment. BC, second line segment. CD, third. ED, fourth. EA, fifth. These are the 5 line segments. Let us write them first. AB, BC, CD, DE, and EA. 5 line segments. Now internal one. Starting from point A. Okay, point by point we will check out so that there won't be any confusion. Starting from point A, draw AC and AD. 2 more lines. So let us write AC, AD. After point A, going to point B. From B we can make BD. and BE also. Two more line segments from B, BD and BE. Now going to point C. From C already CA is been drawn. CA or AC is same, so no need to draw again. Then from C we can make CE. Okay, CE, one more, just one more we have made from C. Coming to point D. From D, DB is already done and DA is also done. So not making from D again. From E, EB and EC, both are already done. So not repeating them. Now back to A, which is already done. So now count how many line segments are being done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means with 5 points we can make 10 line segments. Okay. So now your work is, I am giving you one part to try. You make 6 points in your notebook and find out how many line segments can be drawn with the 6 points. This is your practice work. Okay, homework you can call it as. Going to the next. Now we will be seeing how to draw a line and how to measure the line segment. Okay, so everybody take out your scale and a sharp fine tip pencil also. Keep it ready. Question is asking us to measure a line segment. How to measure? How to measure a line segment? A part. Suppose you are having a line segment for which you are not knowing the measure. Just line segment is here. Okay, you are not knowing of how many centimeters or millimeters it is. So very first thing what you have to do, you have to label it, name it. So first point, don't do redo over that, so otherwise it will become a thick one. So just wherever it is, name it A, and wherever the next point is, make it B. AB line segment. Now on A point, you have to keep the 0 of your scale. Are you able to see here? Everybody look into your scale. 0 of your scale you have to keep on point A. And then very firmly and slowly touch your scale to the point B. So on my scale I am getting it exact 15 centimeter. So this is 15 centimeter. So we will be writing it as AB line segment is equal to 15 centimeter. Let us try one more. Without seeing the measurement, I am just flipping it back side and making a small line segment. Okay. So first point, just to name it, C, D. Now we have to measure it. Keep the 0 of your scale on point C. Firmly, it should not be ahead, it should not be behind also. Now from 0, now keep on counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is complete 12 and some more small lines are also there. So more small black lines are millimeters. So 12 centimeters and 5 more small lines. That means it is 12 centimeter and 5 millimeter is the measurement of line segment. CD equals to 12 centimeter, 5 millimeter. Let us try one more. Making a small line. Or this time I am making a big line segment. Okay. Name it. I am naming it M, N. Now measure it. Your 0 should be at your point M. From M till here I am getting 15 centimeter complete. So I am making it a mark here. That means till here it is 15 and some more line segment is left. So at this point we will be keeping 0 again. And after keeping the 0 here again, count. 15 is done, so ahead we have to count. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And before 22 it is 2 steps back. That means it is 21 centimeter, 8 millimeter. Measurement of line segment MN is 21 centimeter 8 millimeter. Same you can write in decimal also. How? 21.1.8 centimeter. And CD also you can write in decimal 12.5 centimeter. Okay. Now you all have to try one question which I am giving you. Draw the line segment of measurements I am giving you. Okay. You have to draw the line segment of 7 centimeter. Then B part you have to draw the line segment of 9.2 centimeter. And C part 11 centimeter 3 millimeter. These three line segments you will be trying yourself. Okay. So this much for today. I hope you have understood the basic concept of geometry and the measurement of line segment. Thank you. Keep practicing. If you have understood the concept, please ensure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Math Time. Welcome, ma'am.